Saying don't mind this shit, don't mind these demons dwelling in my soul. Crazy in this habit, but you niggas just believe it. I won't ever shit, it's real I do. Man, I just don't get a fuck. Niggas get this shit, they might not know to get your